I'm Alex. I work for Genelec Power Solutions. We are a power solutions company. We work mainly in the solar industry. We do backup diesel power generators, battery storage, and power factor correction units. We are at the Sydney Football Stadium, the brand new Allianz Stadium that has reopened in 2022 and been under construction for the last 4 years. We did a solar installation on this project. The difficulty on this project, or the specific aim of this project, was to achieve 158 megawatt hours per year of annual power generation. To achieve that, we probably did more than a handful of design variations. We created a model in PV-Syst and in Helioscope where we modeled the whole stadium. That includes all the different building heights, the awnings, every pipe that comes out, every mechanical chiller. We had to put panels into the system, and we played with multiple different inverter versions. We started with a string inverter, went to DC optimized inverter, and then ended up with a microinverter system. After all the simulation that we performed, the Enphase IQ 7A was the only product that we could confidently say we can meet 158 megawatt hours per year of annual generation.
Somewhat surprisingly, Sydney Football Stadium is only the second stadium to get solar in all of New South Wales. So we were particularly excited to work with them to prove out the model and demonstrate how the technology can be used in this particular case. When you look at the installation, something that stands out is the complexity of the roof itself, the fact that all the panels are required to be at different orientations and in different areas of the football stadium. So by using Enphase, with each panel operating independently, we were able to make sure that together they joined together and gave a greater system output.
On each side of the building, we had to run up to 100 meters of cable. And the difficulty with a string inverter would have been that we need to mechanically protect it and run it separately to the AC. With the complexity of this building and all the cable tray and AC runs that have been installed for the whole infrastructure of the system, it was of great benefit that we can run all our solar cable in the same cable tray to reduce the amount of cost, time, and labor that's required to make a 100-meter run through multiple buildings, walls, fire penetrations.
For a building as complex as the Sydney Football Stadium, where the installation is spread over several buildings, there's 371 panels, and for maintenance purposes, being able to see what each of those panels is actually doing, how it's performing, really reduces the complexity of any maintenance visits and enables the long-term maintenance of the system to be far more efficient than it would otherwise be.
The support of the Enphase team was a really great help for this project. We had a lot of unique questions due to the complexity of the system, being from wiring, installation, orientation, and efficiency standpoint. We were really happy to receive great support from the Enphase team, who were really quick to answer and usually available within a couple of minutes of a phone call.
We're really excited to be involved in a project like this. A building this complex and high profile is something that we feel Enphase is ideally suited to.